Shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, often referred to as stick welding, is one of the most widely used welding processes in America. It plays a fundamental role in a vast range of industries, including construction, shipbuilding, oil and gas, pipelines, power generation, and heavy equipment fabrication. Its popularity across the United States stems from its simplicity, portability, and effectiveness in a wide range of environments and conditions. From large-scale industrial projects to small repair tasks, SMAW remains a cornerstone of American welding practice due to its adaptability and durability. In America, SMAW is frequently chosen for outdoor applications because the process does not require a shielding gas that can be disrupted by wind. Instead, it uses a consumable electrode coated in flux, which melts during welding to create a protective gas shield and slag layer over the weld. This characteristic makes SMAW particularly useful for fieldwork, structural welding on bridges and buildings, and pipeline work in remote locations across America's varied geographic landscape. Whether it's welding steel frames on a skyscraper in New York or pipeline infrastructure in Texas, SMAW is present across the nation. American welders who specialize in SMAW are often trained through trade schools, union apprenticeship programs, or community college courses. Certification is typically provided by the American Welding Society, AWS, which sets the industry standard across the country. The AWS D1.1 Structural Welding Code is a key document that governs many SMAW applications in steel structures throughout America. Certified SMAW welders in the U.S. are in high demand due to their ability to work in challenging environments, such as high elevations, confined spaces, or extreme temperatures. This versatility is one reason SMAW remains a core welding process despite the growth of more automated or specialized techniques. SMAW is commonly used in America's shipyards, particularly for tasks involving thick steel sections and heavy-duty construction. Shipyards in states like Virginia, Mississippi, and California utilize SMAW for various components, including the assembly of hulls, decks, and bulkheads. It is particularly useful during ship repairs, where portability and ruggedness are essential. Since many repair sites are difficult to access with automated equipment, SMAW's handheld simplicity allows welders to reach and fix areas that would otherwise be left vulnerable. In military shipbuilding, such as projects for the U.S. Navy, SMAW is often used in the early stages of fabrication before transitioning to more advanced methods for final detailing. In addition to shipbuilding, SMAW is heavily used in the construction of buildings, bridges, and infrastructure projects across America. High-rise buildings and stadiums often use steel frameworks that are welded on-site using SMAW. The strength and reliability of the welds make them ideal for load-bearing structures.